Hello students, welcome again. Today's our topic is melting process. As we know that in solids, intermolecular spaces are very small between the molecules, but intermolecular force between molecules is so strong. So molecules have small kinetic energy. It means they can vibrate only. That is about their mean position. They have not enough space to move very large distance from one point to another point. But as we know that with the increase in temperature, kinetic energy is also increased. It means at a particular temperature called melting point, they acquire sufficient energy to overcome intermolecular force and become free to move. That means solids has been converted into liquid. So mean to say, with increase in temperature, kinetic energy will be increased of the molecules, and they have large kinetic energy and have more spaces, so solid converted into liquid, and that particular temperature is called melting point of the solid. So solid has been converted into liquid. Now what is going on? Heat energy is absorbed during this process, during the melting process, and it does not raise the temperature. So keep in your mind the temperature will not be increased, as we know that the melting point of the ice is 0 degrees Celsius. At 0 degrees Celsius it will absorb the heat energy only to increase the kinetic energy, and this energy is used for doing work against intermolecular forces. The next is the boiling process. As we know that molecules of liquid have more spaces than that of solids, mean they have the more kinetic energy because they have the more spaces, and intermolecular forces is small. So with the increase in temperature, kinetic energy also increases, and again at a particular temperature, that is at boiling point, molecules have sufficient kinetic energy so as to overcome intermolecular forces, and then liquid has been converted into a gas, or you can say that in the vapor state. And again heat energy is absorbed by the liquid molecules, is used to do work against intermolecular attractive forces without increasing temperature. So this process is called boiling process. So the next topic is sublimation process. In some solids, intermolecular forces are not so strong. These are weak forces. So on heating, that is with the increase in temperature, kinetic energy rapidly rises, and at a certain temperature, that is called sublimation point, molecules able to overcome force of attraction and free to move. So mean to say, solid has been directly converted into its vapor state. So this is the process is called sublimation process, in which solids are directly converted into vapor state.